there's been a lot of stuff going on in crypto over the past couple days, and it's stuff that you should probably pay attention to. I think one of the biggest things that I apparently missed is that the US prosecutor's office announced it was considering charging Binance with money laundering. Now, what I did see is that during this time, there was billions and billions of dollars removed off of Binance's exchange. Okay. I believe over, $3 billion, $2 billion, something like that. Now, what's important to note is, once these things happen, there's usually a little bit of a snowball effect. People, kind of compounds on top of that. People start removing. There's a lot of uncertainty, right? And obviously nobody wants to get caught in the next FTX situation, right? Now, it's important to note that as of, yesterday, I'm not sure when CZ tweeted this, but the withdrawals have actually stabilized. Okay, now it's at a period of net inflows of about $800 million. So it's starting to turn around and go the opposite direction. CZ has actually called the U.S. prosecutor's office, saying it was considering Binance for money laundering. He's calling that just FUD. He's saying this isn't actually going on. There's nothing going on here. Like, don't worry about it. Now, whether that's the case or not, obviously we don't know, but Shiba Inu whales, okay, that's what I want to talk about. Shib and Shiba Inu whales have kind of been coming to the aid of Binance. I don't want to say they're rescuing Binance or anything like that, but they're coming to the aid of Binance. Over 750 billion Shib actually got redeposited into Binance. And this is from whales that were, removing crypto from Binance exchange. This is important because obviously big players, they want to keep their money safe. Okay. They're probably the first ones to take their money off of the exchange when these things happen. They probably triggered this panic, right? That's why we saw BNB price dropping and all these sorts of things. Now, they're the first ones to say, hey, we're coming back. Okay, we're not going anywhere. Binance is good, it's sound, all these sorts of things. Now, this isn't a supporting Binance video either. Okay. I always err on the side of caution. I use, self-custody. I don't really transact with exchanges unless I have to. Obviously, what you do is kind of your own prerogative. But that was one of the biggest things over the past couple of days happening. But something else happened yesterday that kind of surprised everybody. So obviously, we had the FOMC meeting. We got our 50 basis point hike, which we expected. But the problem is there was still negative sentiment surrounding this. Said directly from Chairman Powell. He said that there needs to be more interest rate hikes. Okay, there's going to be basically more pain moving forward. And I wish he would just stop, because this is why you see the market just bleeding, why you see it in red. Okay, we got hit with some expected news, and then by the way, there's this unexpected curveball. Forget you, crypto guys. So thanks, Powell. Appreciate it. But, this is the same kind of sentiment that he said basically over the last 6 months. He's saying, oh, yeah, we need to continue raising interest rates and blah, blah, blah. And the market is reacting to that. Okay, Shiba Inu obviously reacting one of the harshest ways. Obviously Litecoin has dropped, but by harshest, I mean it's dropped out of the top 15 coins for the first time. And I don't even know when. It's been quite some time since I've seen it down this far. I've seen it, chilling around 15 or so. But now it's got a $300 million hole to try to work through to get back up to the top 15. Now, as always, like I mentioned, short-term price performance, I really don't care about, and you shouldn't as well. Everything in crypto is the long-term play right now. We should be looking long-term and how long-term performance is going to be. And I don't think this changes anything with Shiba Inu. But obviously, it's important that you stay up to date on the things that are going on right now. Now, at the time that you're watching this video, the CPI data report is going to be out. Okay, we're going to know what interest has done over the last 12-month rolling period, if it's continuing to come down, if we're getting a good pullback. So we could see some green. At the same time, it's possible we could see red as well. I'm thinking more that we get, we're getting inflation pulling back another about a half a point. So obviously, we'll see if I'm right or not. Comment below. Let me know if I totally missed the boat on that one. But Shiba Inu, as always, I still think is a great long-term play. But as always, this is not financial advice. Definitely do your own research. Look into the ecosystem that's being built and see if it's something for you. But appreciate you guys as always. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Thursday. And I really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.